With Halloween fast approaching, I wanted to share a simple decoration idea that you can put together in no time. To make your own, you need long brown construction paper, Mod Podge, an old hardcover book, a foam brush, and the free printable. I will attach a link to the covers in the description box below. Start by printing your cover of choice. Remove the paper sleeve from the book and apply Mod Podge to the cover. Apply the paper and smooth it down. Make sure to press down on the creases of the book as well. Continue around the book until the cover is on. It will not cover the back, but the way the book will be placed, no one will ever know. Make sure to share all of these covers with a friend. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.